welcome back to another crypto video. Hello ladies and gents, I hope you're doing awesome. Thanks for returning to another Jacob Crypto Bury video. It looks like we've maybe found the bottom here for the Bitcoin crash. And if it is the bottom, can we be potentially reversing back to an uptrend for these particular projects and Bitcoin as well? Will we take another impulse to some significant resistance levels? So today we're going to check out Polygon Matic, one of the strongest projects in terms of its actual growth from 2020 until now. The return was absolutely huge, and the project has proved to be outstanding with its great development, utility, scalability, and much more. Because it's such a good friend of Ethereum. It's like Batman and Robin relationship, and we know Ethereum is like the tip of the spearhead when it comes to the altcoin market. So we can see here today extreme fear in the market at the moment. So we still got that fear. Everyone is still pretty scared about what's going on. And you can see here last month was also extreme fear, so we get a lot of fear in the market. There hasn't been greed for a long time. So before we do hop in, we can look at some news first, and then we can look at a bit of the price analysis. So do stick around till the end if you want to hear my 2025 prediction, as well as what I think can happen in the short term. So guys, make sure you also actually join that Discord in the description below. It's completely free to do. We've got like 100 people, and we're all just chatting about, crypto and other cool things. So definitely join that if you don't want to miss out some news and just, talk to like-minded people. And also smash that subscribe button, guys. If you're new here, please do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on these key videos. So we can see major security efforts underway for Polygon NFTs Coinbase. Polygon patches bug in its deposit manager worth billions. So while many workers here in the USA were off yesterday due to the President's Day holiday, Polygon Matic was fixing a serious vulnerability on its network thanks to the AOE White and hackers at Immunify. So as more and more users pile into the NFT, metaverse, DeFi space, they need better scalability, faster, cheaper, and seamless Ethereum transactions, and that is what Polygon is providing. So there's always a reason to be extremely bullish on Polygon. As long as Ethereum is moving, then so is Polygon. So if you believe in Ethereum, you may as well definitely believe in Polygon as well, because without Polygon, Ethereum is no longer as scalable or efficient. So they definitely have this synergetic, tandem-like relationship. Polygon announces new game-changing conceptual consensus mechanism. So we can see key takeaways here is proof of efficiency, as it names the protocol will leverage on ZK rollups. Zero knowledge proof is poised to bring massive scalability to Ethereum compatible L2s as well. So the team behind Polygon blockchain have game-changing plans around the scalability. One of these is centered around the zero knowledge rollups. The Ethereum sidechain has announced the development of a new consensus mechanism that will be the cutting edge of zero knowledge proof implementation. So there's another bit of bullish news right there. So let's dabble into the price today. We're at $1.56, rank 16, with a market cap of a whopping 10.6 billion. We can see the trading volume is also around 10% of the total market cap. So people are definitely trading. It's a really hot coin. We can see on the 24-hour, we're up 8.8%, which is really nice. But on that 2 weeks, we're still down 20%, and we're still down quite a bit from the actual all-time high. So let's hop into the chart, shall we? We can see Polygon was trading in this massive symmetrical triangle. We had all these lows marry up, and we did lose a support, unfortunately, on the 18th of February. If you grab the Fibonacci retracement and take a look where particularly we've come down to around that 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. So there is potential downside play still. If we were to lose more support levels, you're looking at the $1.13 range, which is also one of my key reaccumulation zones. So this is on the daily time frame at the moment. You can see we recently got rejected on the bull market support band over here on the 17th of February, and we're also under that 20-day moving average. The relative strength index looks pretty good, and hopefully we can see a bit more buying pressure soon. And on the MACD, we did get that bearish crossover a few days ago, as you can see here, the blue line crossing over that orange line. So we're anticipating that we're going to get this blue line cross over the orange line again. Maybe what could happen here on the daily time frame, I'm speculating something that could happen if we just draw our path. We can see potentially a bit of a double bottom playing out. But what we must consider is that we've got a lot of resistance along this $1.70 mark, around here, $1.70 at this particular line, and we also have a massive bit of resistance over here at the $2.04 level. So that's a big double bottom potential play out, and if that did happen, we take that neckline, and we're looking at a huge pump back to $2.74 if that does happen. But if we get rejected, then of course, please bear in mind that we could lose the support here and come all the way back down to these lower support levels, which would also be a 25% movement to the downside. So do consider that. We've got this low, we've got this low, key support area, key support area. Hopefully we can get a bounce around this particular level in order to see more continuation to the upside. Otherwise, if we get rejected here at $1.70, I imagine this will be the rejection zone, and you get something kind of like this play out, and we get that rollover, and that's what we do not want to see. So hopefully we do get that double bottom play out, guys, on the 4-hour time frame. Again, it's looking pretty good. Nice V-shaped recovery, massive V-shaped recovery there on the 4-hour time frame, and that's what we want to see in these bull markets. You get those V-shaped recoveries. You know, you oversold on the relative strength index on that 4-hour time frame, and you get that bullish crossover right there. Good buying indicators. Not getting the volume we want, but it does look like we can consolidate here. We're going to make our way to the $1.70 mark in the next few days. That's where I think we'll be heading back to, the $1.70 mark, guys. So there's a bit of a price prediction in the short term. Now in the long term, what do I think could potentially happen? Well, assuming, you know, the true bear market bottom, if it is $1, let's just assume it's $1. With the current high we've got, you know, my 2025 prediction for Polygon, I think at least, you know, using the 1.618 here, probably about $4 seems like a pragmatic price. A $4 Polygon Matic, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. What do you think Matic can hit by 2025? That's probably a wrap anyway of this video. So I hope you enjoyed the content. Thank you for the support. 1,300 subscribers now. Absolutely awesome. If you do want to become a patron, huge thank you to the patrons, Peter, Cara, Jordan, Lion Quinn, and Dasne. If you want to be a patron, it's literally the price of a coffee, guys. You can find that in the description below. You're going to receive this free ebook. You're going to get one-on-one messaging and also the premium Discord access, which you don't want to miss out on as well. So do all those things if you want to watch the community grow and support the growth for the long term. So thanks for checking out the video, and see you in the next one.